when the water in this is completely clear, I dump out the water on the garden. And here's the new well, usually I put about half in there at a time. Kind of just like that. There, I just fill it kind of up like that. And then just twist it on like that. Water and fertilize these wildflowers. I just broadcast them in here. And the soil is kind of dry because it's been so hot lately. Okay, here's some wildflowers that I just broadcast in here. Just scattered them around anywhere. And I gotta get this, as soon as it cools off, usually in September around here in zone 5, I'm gonna move this hibiscus. It's just too big for this area.